Hi everyone, it's Shayna from WTI. Add some extra bling into your life with this VIQIV Apple Watch band. This Apple Watch band, it has this cute little, almost like a little flower design in these crystal rhinestones. So the greatest thing about this Apple Watch band is that it will fit the 38 to 49 millimeter Apple Watches in the series 2 through 8, so it'll fit just about every single Apple Watch. And I do love the shine in this. Just check out the shine when the light hits it. It's absolutely radiant. And also I do love that this can fit just about any wrist because it does have really strong elastic bands. You don't have to worry about stretching it out. So it is very easy to switch this Apple Watch on. You just press the release buttons on the bottom of the watch and the band will slide in and out with ease. So this Apple Watch band, it will dress up any casual outfit or give a little extra pizzazz to your already dressy outfit. Always wear it on a night out on the town, and that's my point of view.